So long guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and here I am with the next solution from the website Coding Back. The next problem is not string. So if not string, it should be anything else other than string. Let's see. Given a string, return a new string where not has been added in the front. However, if the string already begins with not, return the string unchanged. That means if a string already has not in front of it, then we will not do anything to the string, or else we will insert a not in front of the string. Note equal equals to compared to string means equals is a Java's inbuilt method to compare two strings. So we can use it, and maybe if the permission of using equals is given here, we can use the other methods with which the program could be easy. So let's see if it works or not. Str dot length. Length does it. What length does is length checks the length of the string, means how long the string is or how many characters the string holds, equals to 3, and let's put this in parentheses for safety, and we will do another thing, that is string dot string we are getting dot substring. What this does is it takes out two values from the string, that is the string that we enter, and let's see, 1 going to 1, okay, 0 and 3 means the first 3 characters in the string. So the first 3 characters in the string should be, sorry, not quills, equals. The administrator has given us the permission to use equals, so we are using equals. We are taking too many parentheses. Okay, we will check it if it not runs, but now let's give not, and if this satisfies, then we can return the string, because here what I am doing, we are checking if the string is more than 3. That means if the string is more than 3, then we are taking the substring of the string and checking if the first 3 characters is equals this not. If the first 3 character is equals not, then we are returning the string as it is. That means not is already there, or else we are returning not plus string. Now let's see. I hope it will be correct. Okay, 1 star. I don't know why these stars they are giving, because all the problem solutions are correct, and for that all the problems should get stars, but let it be. We are done with the problem and we got the solution. We don't need anything else. So you can see they have tested with many other characters, like they have used this examples characters examples method also to check our solution. Here candy is not candy, x is not x, not bad is not bad, okay, bad is bad. Here you can see, here the expected result is given, and in this row the result that our program is generating is given, and if these both are true, then we are getting answer of true. So that's it guys for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video with another problem's solution. So till then, take care, goodbye.